Welcome to the NeuronVM YouTube channel. In this video, we will review how to register and purchase from the NeuronVM website and introduce you to the user panel. To register, log in to the NeuronVM website. Click on the Login or Register button. Click on the Account button and select Register to create an account on the website. On the page that opens, fill out the registration form and complete your information. Set your password, enter the relevant code and then click on Register. Now you are logged in into your user panel. At this point, to buy a service from website, click on Services and select Order New Services. In this section, you will see all the services. Here, we select Windows VPS. From the plans shown, select the plan you need and click on Order Now. On this page, specify your service. From the Choose Billing Cycle section, select the duration of your service from the options. From the Location section, enter the relevant country, which here we select Canada. From the OS section, enter the selected Windows VPS version. After completing the requested service information, click on Continue. If you have a promo code, enter it in the relevant box and click on Checkout to continue. Now, you will enter the payment page. It is possible to pay through Perfect Money and digital currencies. After selecting, click on Complete Order. Enter your digital account information and select one of the available currencies for payment. Then, pay for the service. Now, to view your service, select My Services option from the Services section from the menu. All purchased services will be displayed in this section. From the Ticket section, you can contact our support and ask your questions. From the Affiliate section, you can cooperate with us in sales and submit a ticket for more information. You can also control all your payments from the Billing section. From this section, you can change the site language. From the next section, you can control the notifications you receive. And also, through this button, you can access your profile information and log out the user panel. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to NeuronVM YouTube channel for more information.